I want to end by thanking the security forces who have, in spite of all the negative publicity, have maintained law and order of this country. I think they deserve a very big clap because it's not only now, not only 2020, but it has been a long process of guaranteeing peace and security of Uganda in the last 34 years that we have had since 1986. Our security situation has been improving every day, and that's why, and I keep asking this question, how come that all the refugees of all the neighboring countries which are troubled flock to Uganda? That is the litmus test, which shows that in the unstable region, Uganda is the most peaceful, Uganda is the most stable, Uganda is the most country where people feel more comfortable. If refugees feel like that, I wish and I hope that all Ugandans will be proud of that, of our beautiful country, our country Uganda, of milk and honey, full of fresh water, fresh air, fauna and flora, full of sunshine, the pearl of Africa. That was gifted by nature. That was not a result of or a making of any person, but that was nature's design and God's blessings that we have a country like Uganda, which we should enjoy in the coming 2021. I wish you all the best and the blessings of God in the 2021 year. God bless you, and wish your friend, tell your friend, peace be with you. Without peace, whatever you want to do, you can't do it. So, peace be with you. God bless you. Have an enjoyable year.